I married 4 of my own daughters, and the number of my children was 92 boys and 106 girls. I, a pharaoh of the later period, a king of the twilight, Ptolemy Euergetes II.
Now, God is resting. We must leave the sanctuary.
The ceremony will continue.
The flood, the granaries and the plagues, dreams and power, death and survival. Mystic votaries watched over the great divine scheme of things.
He is the God of the first day. It is he who is called Ammon.
The trade. I opened the eyes of all that they might see. My right eye is the day. My left eye is the night. And the waters of the Nile spurt from my sandals.
Vulture feathers. Near to the father and the mother is the son.